Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to create progress bars in Excel. So basically we want to create progress bar chart in Excel in this column. Okay. So basically what interns do, they go into the data tab or insert tab and get the shapes and select the shapes like bar shapes and added it manually here, right? So no need to do such things in Excel. We have one simple trick in Excel to add bars. So just simply double click, then write one formula REPT repeats. What this formula does, repeat text a given number of times. Use repeat to fill a cell with a number of instance of a text strings. Okay. So after this formula, open the bracket and in double quote select horizontal bar from the keyboard and complete the double quote, then press comma and what is your number times, that is present, select present and complete the bracket and simply press OK. So basically your bar chart is created here, but you need to select play bill from here. Okay, so I will search PLAY bill. So play bill. So as you can see, your bar chart is created here. So I will drag this. So as you can see, progress wise, your bar charts is created here. So the most presentee of this is Travis head from this attendance table. So most presentee of the matches, that is Travis head. Okay. So that's it. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like and subscribe for the video and share it with your friends. So that's it for this video. If you want, I will write the formula here, equal to REPT and in bracket the text comma the number, whatever your number is, that number. Okay, so that's it for this video and change this to playbill. Okay, so it will convert the formulas of the bars. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.